Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a really interesting drone, the 4K HD dual camera GPS drone with visual obstacle avoidance. This one comes in a vibrant orange color and includes a bag and 2 batteries, which is a great start right out of the box. One of the first things you notice is the dual camera setup. It's advertised with 4K HD cameras, promising superior image quality. The specifications list a 1080p video capture resolution and 12 megapixel stills, so you can expect clear high-definition footage and decent photos from the air. Having 2 cameras gives you different perspectives, which is a nice touch for capturing various angles. For flight stability, this drone utilizes both GPS and optical flow positioning. This combination helps it maintain a stable hover, whether you're indoors or outdoors, making it much easier to control, especially for someone just starting out. The GPS also allows for more accurate flight paths and reliable return-to-home functions, adding confidence to your flights. A standout feature, particularly beneficial for beginners, is the visual obstacle avoidance system. This system helps the drone detect and automatically avoid obstacles in its path, adding a significant layer of safety during flights. It reduces the stress of flying in areas with potential obstructions and helps prevent unexpected crashes, allowing pilots to focus more on capturing footage. Control range is quite impressive, offering long-distance control and HD image transmission up to 1,200 meters. This means you can explore a good distance while still seeing exactly what the drone sees in high definition on your connected device via the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, providing a smooth and clear live feed. Powering the drone is a modular smart battery. Each battery provides an average flight time of around 18 minutes. Since this package includes 2 batteries, you get a total potential flight time of about 36 minutes before needing to recharge, which is quite good for a drone in this category and allows for more extended flying sessions. The drone is described as beginner-friendly, and features like the stable positioning, the crucial obstacle avoidance system, and intuitive app control certainly contribute to that ease of use. Controlling it through a smartphone app makes it accessible and straightforward for new pilots. Overall, this orange 4K HD dual camera GPS drone with visual obstacle avoidance seems like a solid and capable package, especially for someone looking to get into drones with advanced safety features like obstacle avoidance and good camera capabilities, all while being designed to be easy to fly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.